So, I got this old jack here on my 28-foot enclosed. The problem with this one is, it's old. It's just a pain in the butt to turn. So what the plan is I bought one of these big heavy-duty 10K jacks, and I'm gonna actually mount it back here. I'm gonna get rid of this plate, and I'm gonna actually mount it back there because I have a truck camper that I put on the back of my truck, and what I want to do is be able to hook the truck camper and the big enclosed onto it, and then when I go racing I'll be able to take it wherever I want and sleep in it. But the problem with this jack is with the camper on, I won't actually be able to make a turn. So what I have to do is replace this jack, move it farther back there, kind of where Loretta's head is, and then that'll allow me to be able to take wide turns. But with that heavier jack, it'll be no problem lifting up this trailer with it. So yeah, that's kind of what my goal is. So I got that plate off now, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do it this way or if I want to turn it where like the jack handle comes out this direction, comes off the side of the trailer. Kind of similar how my other trailer is over here. Basically I had to fab it up so it would have like this rod shaft, and then the crank could be way over on the side. But I don't know, is there good questions? Like, I see the pros to both. I think what I have to figure out for sure, because we're gonna have to come up some more, it's like this crank rubs over here, so I'm gonna have to come up some more for sure. And if I'd mount it like this, I'd probably cut this off so it's even farther back or closer to like where the trailer is. But I don't know, I wouldn't mind having it mounted like over here where I can like just crank it out, but then again it'd be so nice to have it tucked back here in this corner. I'm gonna have to do some more figuring. I think I'm gonna do it just like that. I have plenty of throw on there. The handle rotates pretty well. Might make like a guard for that box, but it rotates pretty good. Plenty of throw on the bottom, like it barely just started. Basically barely just started engaging there. I think it'll be a good fit. Like this, I'm gonna cut probably right here. Then we're gonna back this up, get it probably an inch or two away from there. But that should allow for plenty of swing, which would gain us another inch or so right there. I think that's what's gonna happen. So that's what it looks like with it all done. Sorry, it's kind of windy, but got it all mounted up. Wish I would have got more film of us welding it, but typically the old man's just like a go, 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 go kind of rush kind of guy. But got her welded up real nice, add a little sport to it, but turned out pretty good, I'd say.